In today's video, we are going to show you how to upload a bank statement in Exness. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do once you are logged in, look for any notifications on your current layout. You may see options such as profile, verification, or complete verification. In my case, I see the notification to complete my profile. All I have to do is click on it. Now, this is heavily dependent on your area or region. All I have to do now is click the Complete Now button. And then if Exness requires a bank statement in your area or region, you will see a notification or request explaining which document is needed. And all I have to do now is carefully review the requirements before uploading your file. Typically, the bank statement should show your full name, display your bank details, inside include the bank's name or logo, be clear and easy to read, and of course, acceptable date range specified by Exness. All I have to do now is click the Upload Document or Upload File button. Once you click the Submit or Send or any equivalent confirmation button, Exness will begin reviewing your bank statement. Verification times can vary depending on the document quality and account requirements. After submission, monitor your email inbox and Exness notifications for your updates. If the document is approved, you'll receive a confirmation, and what will happen is you will see that there is a notification stating that your Exness account has been fully verified. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to upload a bank statement in Exness. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.